Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So today is non-farm payroll news, and it possibly is going to be a big deal because we have not had any jobs data news coming out for months now. So I think the market is definitely going to be waiting for this news event because of the US government shutdown that we've been in. So anyways, I mean, based on my early wave analysis, I would expect this to keep going up on the daily. Doesn't mean that there possibly couldn't be a push down on the sort of time frames before it goes up, but we are definitely still very bullish on the dollar index also, which makes me very bullish on this. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, just because the trend is up and I think they'll continue up doesn't mean that it might not push down strong today. So if it does turn at a Fibonacci retracement level, go down, break our structure, then we could definitely look for sorts. And while we're looking for sorts, if it does a pullback, like this, overlapping pattern, then we'll know it's a pullback to the last wave up. On the other hand, if it makes a brand new impulsive move to the downside, then we should be looking for sorts anyway, so it shouldn't really be a problem. Now, the thing is it doesn't really have to do any of that. The trend is definitely up on these sort of time frames. It may just shoot right past here and continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which is why I personally need to see the break of structure to get confirmation of a turn to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.